Hi, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Manish Gorawala. I'm the founder and CEO with MLeads. So, can you go to the next? No, there should be more. Okay, so while they are fixing that, so let me ask you this. We all are business owners, right? And I also is a business owner. By running another business, we all go to events like this. Either we go to events for networking, exhibiting, and we meet a lot of people. We get overwhelmed with managing those leads, and we want to make sure that we don't lose a single lead. So we can convert those leads into customers, right? We invest a lot of money to go to all these events. We need ROI. So those were the problems I was facing, and that's why I decided to build a platform that is a very simple and easy to understand by non-technical sales or marketing or business owner, right? The way I have built it's a patent pending utility process that I developed. So basically my platform allows you to track your prospects by where you meet them. So by events or by groups, right? So you can categorize them into two things. And the biggest thing that is differentiator is that it allows you to capture leads with 8 different ways using your mobile itself. So even while you are interacting with your prospects, you can capture them, right? And then as soon as they are in, even while you are at the event, before you go back to your hotel room or you are at the airport waiting for the flight to catch back home, you can start doing your follow-ups, right? You can start sending out your email campaigns, SMS campaign with the information about your company, and right away it's working, right? And right away you are getting the feedbacks from those prospects. And this platform also allows you to integrate your website, your Outlook, to get the data funneled in, right? You can import, export data from any source to any destination. And now we just launch a feature where not only you can manage your own prospects, but you can also research or search the data like leads, and you can purchase the leads using our platform. So it's connected to the B2B database in the backend. And we have about 5,400 registered users worldwide, and it's already launched on iOS and Android platform. And another thing this platform allows you to do is you can, right away once the leads are in, you can start doing your research on your leads, like you can connect with them on LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, all those things. And right away you start the conversion process. And not only that, you can also use this platform to store the videos of your product and services, so you can show those videos right from your mobile while you are interacting with the prospects, right? So it's like all your information that you need to convert that prospect into customer, right? And actionable data anywhere, anytime, and I don't need to rely on my support staff to do that work for me. And other thing, my platform solves the problem. When we hire a marketing person or a business development person, we are paying like 70,000, 80,000, 100,000, right? So our biggest challenge as a business owner is what? What's my ROI? What is this person is getting me in the pipeline, right? So with this platform, you can build a team member also, and real time you can see their productivity and efficiency. That if I send somebody to San Diego to exhibit and man my booth, how is he doing? Did he do the follow-up? How many leads he got as a business owner, right? So these are the challenges this platform solves. And my vision, the reason I mean that's my bigger goal too. My vision is to empower every SMBs in this world with this tool that can help them grow and compete against all the big businesses.
Thank you, Manish.
So that's what it is.
Thank you.